Hello, how are you? I am back again and today I'm unboxing the brand new Glossybox. So this is the March 2025 box. And I have to say, it's a very light box, so I'm excited to see what's inside. Or maybe what isn't inside, because honestly, that is how light it is. It feels probably like the lightest box I've ever had from them. Okay, let's crack into it. Oh, this is cool. It's not a box, it's a bag. And I don't know if I'm correct here, but you can either knot it like this, so it's kind of like a carrier bag, or you can knot it like this so nothing falls out. I love that. That's so cool. I've not seen one of these before and I'm really, really into it. Also, on a personal note, it might be a really good one for my makeup bag to keep Mary away from them because she might not be able to undo a double knot. And I can tell you she's very good at unzipping my makeup bag. Okay, let's look at the contents. Okay, so I'm going to do this in no particular order. But the first item is these blemish dots. There's 2 packs, and in each pack there's 32 dots. I don't know about you, but I actually love having these in supply because I don't get many spots, but when I do, I find blemish dots really work. So I'm really pleased about these. Okay, next item is this. Give Them La La Beauty. Now, I don't know this brand, but here's something funny. The name of the shade is We Don't Know Her. And that's kind of me with this makeup brand. So it's a cream blush and this is the shade. And I might attempt to put a bit on. I don't know if you can see that, but I put it on. I think it's quite pretty. I think I put too much on, but I know for next time. Anyway, on to the next item. This is a Michelin Peach hand cream. It is a nice big tube. It's 60 mils. Also, I was doing gardening the other day, so if my hands look filthy, that is why. And I've tried a few Michelin Peach products before. And the brand's really lovely and it always smells lovely too. Okay, next item is an eyebrow oil and it's by Jacka Black. Jacka Black? Am I pronouncing that right? Okay, and then we've got one more item and I think this might be the best thing. This is a Rodile cleanser and it contains salicylic acid. It is 20 mils big. And I personally just really like Rodile. I think it's a really lovely brand. It's quite expensive, so it's quite a treat to get it in a box. And I'm really looking forward to this. And that, my friends, is the entire Glossybox. I have to say, I think my favourite thing might actually be the bag it comes in. I think this is really cool. I 100% know I'll use it. And my other favourite item, of course, is the Rodile. But honestly, I am really pleased about the blemish spots. I'm really pleased about the hand cream. I'll definitely be using that. I'll also be using the brow gel and yeah, cream blush. Can't really go wrong. I have to say, I think this is a really good universal box. Great for the money, really, really good value, really usable items. And yeah, I'm really pleased with it. But anyway, enough about me. What do you think about it? And that's my video. Thank you so much for being here. I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.